Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule an email campaign here in Omnisend. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and go to campaigns right here in the left panel. And for example, we're going to create one and make sure that you select email. Okay, create email, wait for it to load. Now let's just go ahead and maybe add in just a sample and choose email template. Okay, now in here, just go ahead and find your preferred template, or you can go ahead and use the goal section right here. For example, maybe welcome and engage or promote products, maybe this one. And then I'm just going to use this sample. Okay, use template right here. And then once done, you can now go ahead and edit this however you want, add in your elements, okay, like images, header, content, footer. And then once that's done, save it right here and choose recipient. Okay, go to the top right, click on it and wait for it to load. And if you want to, you can go ahead and choose your segments. Okay, you have the drop down in here, or just go ahead and leave it to all subscribers. Okay, now once done, click on send test email just to test. Okay, and here we have the email. So if it looks good, you can go back to your Omnisend review campaign. Now go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to see the send option. Make sure that you click on schedule for later. Now you can go ahead and choose the date. Just click on the date field and you'll be able to see the calendar view. Okay, you have the time in here, maybe 2:30 tomorrow, based on your time or based on the subscriber's time zone. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and click on schedule campaign. Wait for it. And after that, it says here success. Your campaign has been scheduled successfully and will be sent till Friday, October 31st, 2025 at 2:30 a.m. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.